Tara, this is how you catch a fish.
Sokka, look!
Shh, Tara, you're gonna scare it away. I can already smell it cooking.
But Sokka, I caught one! Hey!
Ah! Why is it that every time you play with magic water, I get soaked?
It's not magic, it's water bending. And it's...
Yeah, an ancient art unique to our culture, blah, blah, blah. Look, I'm just saying that if I had weird powers, I'd keep my weirdness to myself.
You're calling me weird? I'm not the one who makes muscles at myself every time I see my reflection in the water.